Hi guys, this is dietitian Sheena and you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all the best diet plan for weight loss for women. Now this diet plan works as miracle for all the business women out there, working women or housewives as well. Now either you're working from home or from office or working as a full-time housemaker. This diet plan will definitely help you to achieve your weight loss goals and at the same time great benefits for skin, hair, acne, pimples, deficiencies, allergies and everything taken care in this diet plan. Recently, my lots of clients followed this diet plan for immense weight loss and they were able to see a huge transformation happening for themselves. And so can you. You can get your personalized and customized diet plan made by me, and to do that you can always WhatsApp me on the given number or email me at this email address, that is eatmorelosmore7@gmail.com, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with. And you can achieve your weight loss goal with dietitian Sheena and begin the journey. So without any delay, let's get started with the best diet plan for women to help them lose weight fast very easily. Starting with the early morning drink. As soon as you wake up, hydration and boosting your metabolism is the only goal that should be on your mind for your health and for your weight loss. And for that, you can simply take 1 lemon squeezed, add hot water over it, and add pinch of cinnamon powder and pinch of black pepper powder to it. Now this basically helps to boost your metabolism, give you a good vitamin C boost in the morning itself, and at the same time improves your hydration and removes all the bad toxins from your body very quickly. Second option, if you cannot have this, then you can always have 2 glasses of lukewarm water as soon as you wake up to kickstart your metabolism, to awaken your system, and at the same time removes all the bad toxins from your body very quickly. Now let's proceed towards our breakfast options for this diet plan. I'll be giving you 3 options in it. The first option is for all the vegetarians out there who all can take eggs and do consume eggs every single day. You should definitely take it as your breakfast and never skip your breakfast, whatever it is. Simply you can have 3 boiled eggs. Now this is the best source of protein that you can get for the morning itself. If you cannot have simple boiled eggs, you can always have a veggie omelette in which you can add mushroom, spinach, onion, tomato, bell peppers, whatever you want to add to it. Whatever vegetables are seasonally available with you, you can add to this along with 2 egg whites. Season it with some black pepper powder and also jeera powder and some oregano or chili flakes and pinch of salt, and you're good to go for your breakfast itself. Along with that, you can have 1 cup of green tea, or you can have tea or coffee as per your own preference if you like having it in the morning itself, and enjoy your tasty delicious breakfast. Second option is for all my vegetarian out there. You can always have sandwich. Now I have lots and lots of sandwich recipes on my channel which contains good fiber, good protein, and definitely a lot of healthy options for you to prepare for your sandwiches in the morning. You can follow any of the recipes: club sandwich, banana peanut butter sandwich, or you can even have a pizza sandwich and enjoy your tasty, delicious, healthy breakfast option for morning itself. Third option is for all the quick goers out there who do not have time to prepare anything out there for themselves. You can always jump onto smoothies. Now they're the best source of fiber, fruit intake, healthy fats and probiotics as well. You can prepare any fruit smoothie recipe. The channel has all the recipes of mine in there. You can have banana oats peanut butter smoothie, you can have strawberry smoothie, mango smoothie, peach smoothie, or you can even have watermelon slush as your breakfast itself. It's a good hydration oriented breakfast option for all the quick goers out there. The key is to not forget having your breakfast. Now let's proceed towards our mid-morning snack option, which you can have basically between your breakfast and lunchtime. You can always carry 1 fruit that is seasonally available with you to the office, or you can have it in your mid-morning snack option. Along with that, you can also have 1 cup of matcha tea. Now whenever you're on your weight loss journey, the antioxidant level has to be up and up. So 1 cup of matcha tea is equal to 10 cups of green tea. The antioxidant level is super high and super easy to prepare as well. Now you can try this matcha tea and enjoy your weight loss benefits to a greater extent. Proceeding towards our lunch options for the best diet plan for women for weight loss. The first option has to be roti. Now all the women who love having roti for their lunches, be it for carrying into the office or you can have it at home also, roti is the best option for you because it is fuller and at the same time keeps you satiated also. You can have oats roti or ragi roti, or you can even have multigrain roti. Along with that, you can have any seasonal sabzi that is prepared at your home. Bhindi, lauki, Karela, beans, any green vegetable is good for you to have along with your roti. Along with that, make sure to have a good full bowl of salad and a good full bowl of curd as well. Second option for all my rice lovers out there who definitely want rice for their lunch, you can always have brown rice or single polished rice or red rice or black rice as per your own option choices. You can pick your choice of rice or your type of rice for lunch, but make sure the quantity of rice is less and the quantity of vegetable or pulse or curry, whatever you want to have along with your rice, be it rajma chana or white chana or black chana or any kind of dal or chicken curry, fish curry, egg curry, whatever you want to have with your rice, it has to be more in the quantity and less of amount rice. Along with that, you can have good full bowl of salad and curd as your probiotic. Proceeding towards our third option for lunch. Now this option is for all those who like having South Indian for their lunch. You can have 2 plain dosas or ragi dosas for lunch. Along with, you can have a good full bowl of sambar, which contains lots and lots of vegetables added to this. You can even have rasam, or you can even have it with coconut chutney. It's a great source of fiber, and along with that helps you to keep your cravings at bay as well. Now proceeding towards our mid-evening snack option, which comes between lunch and dinner time. You can always have tea or coffee if you're addicted to it and you like having it for your mid-evening snack, but make sure to add no sugar to it at all of any kind. If you cannot have this, then you can always have coconut water. Always prefer to have fresh coconut water only if it's available at your place, or you can even skip it and have 1 cup of matcha tea again. It is amazing for your antioxidant levels, also boosts your metabolism to a great level and helps to cut your belly fat very quickly. The link to buy best organic matcha tea is given in the description box below. You can go and check it online and buy it very easily. Along with these options, you can always have 30 grams of high protein seed mix. Now it is the best snack to munch on because whenever you feel to have something sweet or something savory at the same time, this option is for you, which contains great amount of antioxidant levels, which contains pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, lots and lots of nuts to it, and is amazing source of protein as well. The link to buy this is also given in the description box below. You can go and buy it online very easily. Now let's proceed towards our dinner options for the best diet plan for weight loss for women. The first option is you can have 1 moong dal chila. Now the recipe of my moong dal chila is it again here, in which all I've done here is soaked 1 cup of moong dal approximately for 2 hours, or you can simply soak it in the morning itself and consume by the dinner. To this I'll be adding fresh ginger and green chilies to blend it out all together. Now the batter for this moong dal chila is ready. Along with that, I'm adding here white sesame seeds because it's great source of fiber, protein, and also great for your skin benefits also. Pinch of turmeric powder and salt, and your batter for the moong dal chila is ready. Simply pour it out and prepare fresh moong dal chilas. Takes hardly 10 minutes to prepare this recipe and is super easy to prepare as well. Keeps you fuller also. Along with that, you can have pudina chutney or mint chutney or coriander chutney and enjoy your tasty delicious moong dal chila for your dinner. Make sure to have your dinner by 7 p.m. and not later than that. Second option for your healthy weight loss dinner option is you can have soup. You can have lemon coriander soup, tomato zucchini soup, or all veggie soup. The recipes are all mentioned in the description box below. You can check it out and follow these recipes for your healthy weight loss dinner option. Now let's proceed towards our bedtime drink option for the best diet plan to lose weight fast for women. Always have 1 cup of chamomile tea. If you're a working woman, work from home women, or even if you're a housewife, this basically helps to relieve all the stress of the entire day for you and also to boost your metabolism to the next level. It is a very important tea for all the mothers, all the single women, or every woman of the world out there. This tea works magical for you and also helps to calm your nerves down and promote good sleep benefits, which is very important when it comes to your weight loss journey. The link to buy this organic chamomile tea is given in the description box below. You can go and buy it online very easily, and to prepare this is very simple. Along with this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail to remove all the bad toxins from your body very quickly, to give you good hydration boost, and also to prevent any kind of skin issues as well. For personalized or customized diet plan for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelose7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming weight loss tips and tricks, diet plans, how my clients reduce weight every single day, and let me know in the comment section below how you felt doubt about this diet plan, I'll be more than happy to assist you with any of your queries. Check out my Instagram for all the updates on how my clients reduce every single day, how their diet goes, and what I eat in a day, vlogs, and lots of healthy recipes as well. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.